guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing Pokemon cards.
What's it called?
Oh, you can see the name.
It's called the Collector Pikachu V. Shining Fates.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks super cool.
Yeah. And today was my graduation.
Happy graduation!
Thank you.
What did you graduate from, Brandon?
Like kindergarten.
Kindergarten. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
And Alaka, bam!
Oh, there it is. I opened it.
Good job. What's in it? Wow. Oh, there's a card up here. Look at this. Cool.
Look at this big
Pikachu.
Pokemon card.
Well, that's very large. Let me see. That looks awesome.
Like you can't even get the card. Yeah, there's the Pokemon.
How many booster packs do you have?
4.
4.
4. It will start with this one. I'm gonna go get my scissors. Hold on.
Look, I was able to get it out of the plastic.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a smaller version of this big one.
Look, I got it open. I got it open. Look. Here.
Oh, let's look at your cards.
Okay, so we have. Okay. Ooh, that's nice. Energy. Looks so. What is this? Team Yell Tower? Lucky, get
What's
out.
this?
With this guy. Oh, that's the third.
Coughing.
Another one
More
of these
Pekko.
guys.
Why are you throwing this one?
Because this
Let's
is
see.
I think this is the dump.
Okay, let's open the other packs.
I have this guy.
Oh, that looks cute.
Oh my gosh. Double snakes. Ball guy.
Grookey.
Okay. That's a trainer? It's an energy fire. These are Pokemon I've never seen before. Another
There's
ball
a
game.
lot of Pokemon.
That's another ball game. So it's over there. There. There we go.
Cool. Okay.
Okay. Stage 1 of this guy. So gym trainer. Offense. I have one of these. I don't have any of those, but it's a different card. It's a basic, double. Over there, doubles over there. And energy and there. There we go.
Okay, last pack.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a lot of cards. What is this? Wow.
There. Okay, so we have basic, Eevee basic. Nice. This guy again.
Oh, Eevee.
This guy again. Another double of this one. Another double. I like this one, so I'll put it over here. Energy double. This one. Oops. Store trainer. And some which I have a double.
Cool, that's a lot of cards.
Yeah.
And your special Pikachu one.
Yeah, this one's the rarest. Especially this one.
A big one.
That was the rarest one. Compare that.
Yeah, you get a lot of cards from that pack.
Compare that to this.
Some doubles.
Yeah, that's okay now. Let's do something. Look, compare.
Which one was your favorite card that you saw?
These two.
The main Pikachu ones.
Yeah, those are so cool. Pikachu, it's basic. Look at this. It's just the same. 200 drawing bolts. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and hit the bell. Bye.
Bye. Cool.